Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, you're in for a massive treat. Not many people are talking about this in the crypto world. So if you're watching this, you're very lucky to be watching this, as I'm going to teach you a couple of things that I have picked up within the XRP chart. I just want to talk about the crypto market sentiment right now. I'm pretty sure we can all agree that it is crap and that the markets are not being that great due to market manipulation, as well as about 2 billion of people's crypto funds have disappeared from the FTX exchange, just mysteriously vanished. We have Twitter absolutely blowing up and everything's just getting out of proportion. But this video may change your mind in terms of at least the XRP chart. We do have many more cryptos like this, so if you haven't already done so, please press subscribe so you can stay up to date with my latest technical analysis. So looking at the XRP chart, as you can see, we've seen our XRP chart go from this sideways moving fractal. We have dropped below our 50-day moving average as well as our 200-day moving average, and we have dropped back down to this line here. So if we go across this line, we can see that we have used this support line in many occasions before, not only as a resistance line but also as a support line. We have not had a candle wick below this line, which is very important, because if we had a candle wick below this support line, then potentially we could be looking at prices of around the 6p to say 12p range. But since being that we haven't had a candle wick below this, I'm pretty sure it's safe to say that we can expect a bounce back up to the upside. I want to talk about the second line that I got underneath here as well. Let's go back on the charts. Since the 15th of March 2020, we have not seen a single wick below this line. Like, I could pretty much say that this is the bottom support line for the XRP chart. And being that we've just bounced straight off of this on many occasions within the last few months and not actually had a candle close, I believe that this line at the bottom here is the very bottom support for XRP. And it's good to see that we have actually ranged back to the upside after bouncing off that support line. We can see that also XRP, we have not breached this Fibonacci extension until just recently. Unfortunately, we have actually whipped back into the Fibonacci retracement and we are actually ranging within this, but it's not going to be long before we actually do see that breakout back to the upside. As well as that, on top of that, more positive news that we've seen a crossover on our 50-day and our 200-day moving average, which is an indication to say that we're going to have a rally to the upside, because if you Google this, this is also known as a golden cross. And you know, if we look previously on the charts, every time you see the red line, which is a 50-day, above the green line, which is a 200-day moving average, we can see big massive rallies to the upside. Normally you would see it within the charts first before you actually see it within the moving averages. And once we actually start having these big wicks to the upside, you'll see these two lines actually become further and further apart. So in terms of price prediction for XRP, we have used these previous price predictions in a few videos before, but the main thing we're looking for XRP right now is to break out of the 0.236 Fibonacci extension, which is this red line here, which we're looking at roughly around about the 68-cent mark. And if you go just a bit above that, we have a 100-week movement average, which we have actually spent majority of XRP's lifespan above. So we're looking roughly around about the 70-cent mark. These prices, I believe, won't take long for XRPs to reach, being that the court case is looking relatively good in my opinion, as well as Coinbase actually backing XRP within the lawsuit, and potential XRP might be going back onto the Coinbase exchange. And when that happens, we should see large volume go into the XRP chart. Sorry about that. So those are all the positive aspects that I see in the XRP chart. We are so low in price, and I can't really see XRP going any lower than this, in my humble opinion. I'm not a financial trader, but being that we haven't had a single wick below this bottom support line since the 14th of March 2020, I could say that this is a very, very sturdy support line, and potentially we can now actually see a move back to the upside. I will be long in XRP potentially after this video, so if you'd like to join me in that, then do so. If not, press that subscribe button and stay up to date with my technical analysis. Thank you for watching.